Carrier oils play a crucial role in herbal remedies and aromatherapy, acting as a medium to dilute essential oils and other potent herbal extracts to make them safe for application. These oils not only facilitate the application of active ingredients, but also bring their own unique properties and benefits to the mixture. In this video, we will discuss various types of carrier oils, their benefits and drawbacks, the specific herbal remedies they are best suited for, and potential allergic complications. Sweet almond oil. Benefits. Rich in nutrients. Sweet almond oil is high in vitamins E, A, and D and contains essential fatty acids. Moisturizing. It is highly moisturizing and suitable for dry skin. Absorption. It has a medium absorption rate, making it neither too greasy nor too quick to absorb. Drawbacks. Nut allergies. Individuals with nut allergies should avoid sweet almond oil. Shelf life. It has a relatively short shelf life of about 6 months to a year. Best suited for skin conditions. Ideal for eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Massage. Its smooth texture makes it a popular choice for massage oils. Hair care. Can be used in hair masks to promote shine and health. Allergic complications. Nut allergy. Can cause severe allergic reactions in individuals with nut allergies. Jojoba oil. Benefits. Mimics skin's natural oils. Jojoba oil closely resembles the sebum produced by human skin. Non-comedogenic. It does not clog pores, making it suitable for acne-prone skin. Long shelf life. It is highly stable and has a long shelf life. Drawbacks. Cost. It is relatively more expensive compared to other carrier oils. Scent. Has a mild nutty scent that might not be preferred by everyone. Best suited for acne treatments due to its non-comedogenic properties. Hair care conditions the scalp and can help with dandruff. Skin moisturizers. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Allergic complications. Rare. Allergic reactions to jojoba oil are rare but possible. Coconut oil. Benefits. Antimicrobial properties. Contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial benefits. Moisturizing. Highly effective at moisturizing and conditioning skin and hair. Versatile. Can be used in cooking, skincare, and hair care. Drawbacks. Comedogenic. Can clog pores, especially on the face. Solid at room temperature. Requires warming to be used as a liquid oil. Best suited for hair masks. Deep conditioning treatments for hair. Dry skin. Excellent for very dry skin areas. Cooking. Safe for use in both topical and culinary applications. Allergic complications. Coconut allergy. While rare, some individuals may have a coconut allergy. Fractionated coconut oil. Benefits. Stability. Fractionated coconut oil is more stable and has a longer shelf life compared to regular coconut oil because the long-chain fatty acids, which can go rancid, have been removed. Lightweight and non-greasy. It is lighter and less greasy than regular coconut oil, making it ideal for skincare and massage. Absorption. It is quickly absorbed by the skin, providing excellent hydration without clogging pores. Odorless and colorless. The refining process removes the coconut scent and color, making it a versatile option for blending with essential oils without altering their fragrance. Drawbacks. Processing. The refinement process involves the removal of certain beneficial compounds found in whole coconut oil, such as lauric acid. Cost. Fractionated coconut oil can be more expensive than regular coconut oil due to the additional processing required. Best suited for aromatherapy and massage. Its lightweight nature and quick absorption make it a preferred carrier oil for essential oil dilution in aromatherapy and massage. Skincare. Ideal for use in facial serums, moisturizers, and other skincare products, especially for those with sensitive or oily skin. Hair care. Can be used as a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to add shine and manageability without weighing hair down. Allergic complications. Coconut allergy. While rare, individuals with a coconut allergy should avoid using fractionated coconut oil, as it can still cause allergic reactions. Integration into herbal remedies. Fractionated coconut oil is particularly well suited for herbal remedies that require a lightweight, non-greasy carrier oil. Its ability to absorb quickly without leaving a residue makes it an excellent choice for topical applications where a clean finish is desired. It can be effectively used in herbal salves, lotions, and massage blends, enhancing the delivery of active herbal ingredients while maintaining a pleasant application experience. Additionally, its stable nature and long shelf life make it a practical choice for herbal preparations that require a longer storage period. Fractionated coconut oil is my #1 used type of carrier oil. I rarely use anything else. Grapeseed oil. Benefits: light and non-greasy, absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Rich in antioxidants, high in vitamins C, D, and E and antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce inflammation and redness. Drawbacks: short shelf life, oxidizes quickly, leading to a short shelf life. Allergenic potential: some people may be allergic to grapeseed oil. Best suited for oily skin, ideal for oily and acne-prone skin due to its light texture. Massage oil, its non-greasy feel makes it a good choice for massage oils. Anti-aging, can be used in anti-aging serums and creams. Allergic complications: seed allergy, potential allergen for individuals allergic to grapes. Olive oil. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, contains vitamins E and K and polyphenols. Deep moisturizing, excellent for deep conditioning and moisturizing. Anti-inflammatory, helps soothe and heal skin irritations. Drawbacks: heavy and greasy, can leave a heavy, greasy residue on skin and hair. Strong scent, has a strong, distinctive smell that may not be desirable in all formulations. Best suited for dry and mature skin, suitable for deep moisturizing treatments. Hair care, effective in treating dry and damaged hair. Allergic complications: olive allergy, rare but possible allergic reactions in some individuals. Avocado oil. Benefits: nutrient-rich, packed with vitamins A, D, and E and fatty acids. Highly moisturizing, excellent for deep moisturization and nourishment. Anti-inflammatory, soothes inflamed and irritated skin. Drawbacks: heavy oil, can be too heavy for some skin types, particularly oily skin. Cost: generally more expensive than other carrier oils. Best suited for dry and mature skin, provides intense moisture and nourishment. Healing balms, ideal for treating damaged or irritated skin. Hair treatments, great for deep conditioning hair treatments. Allergic complications: avocado allergy, can cause allergic reactions in individuals sensitive to avocados. Argan oil. Benefits: high in vitamin E, contains high levels of vitamin E and essential fatty acids. Non-greasy, absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Anti-aging, known for its anti-aging properties. Drawbacks: cost, one of the more expensive carrier oils. Availability, can be harder to find than more common carrier oils. Best suited for anti-aging products, ideal for use in anti-aging serums and creams. Hair care, nourishes and conditions hair without weighing it down. Sensitive skin, suitable for sensitive and easily irritated skin. Allergic complications: nut allergy, derived from nuts, so it can cause allergic reactions in individuals with nut allergies. Conclusion: each carrier oil brings its own unique set of properties, benefits, and potential drawbacks, making them suitable for different types of herbal remedies. When selecting a carrier oil, it is crucial to consider the specific needs of the skin or hair, the desired therapeutic effect, and any potential allergic complications. For those with sensitive skin or allergies, conducting a patch test before widespread use is advisable to ensure there are no adverse reactions. With the right carrier oil, herbal remedies can be both effective and enjoyable to use, enhancing overall well-being.